888-SHADE-45.
You know what it is, baby. DJ Self VIP Saturday, Superstar J, Kimmy Cupcake. And Clef said he's going to do something like you legendary right now.
Are we going to vibe?
Yeah,
turn your radios up.
Since I've ran for prez, right?
Yes,
this
man.
is actually the first time that I'm around again, right?
Definitely.
Okay.
This is
So
going
this
to be on all
VIP,
the motherfucking blogs
Saturdays
right now.
exclusive.
Oh, man.
You hear how Clef says it before, since I've ran for president. How can you, you know what I mean? That's crazy right
Man.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Mike Wilmer.
What's up?
Lord knows.
Yeah.
Clef. Yeah, DJ says. DJ Superstar J.
I like that.
Yeah, welcome to the VIP. Yeah. With my girl Kimmy. Yeah. Welcome to the VIP. What we tell them, Clef? I said, Clef, for make you dance. Clef, for make you dance. Clef, for make you dance. Girls make you romance. Clef, for make you dance. Hey, Clef, for make you dance. Clef, for make you dance. Clef, make you romance. They said I changed ever since I got the wealth. I ain't changed, just hard battling myself. Ain't no competition in the land of the lost. Ever since an intern, I always wanted to be boss. Never thought I'd get paid for my penmanship. If I'm at the Gentleman Club, it's free membership.
Wow.
With my homie DJ Super J, keep it VIP play.